Okay guys, I have got a Frigidaire stacked washer dryer unit. It is in like new condition. I'm going to give you a thorough test here. Right now I got the dryer running. I figured I'd show you that first. Since it's on top, I just have it on time dry. You push to start, high heat. So this side is your dryer controls. It's got a nice loud end cycle there. It's got a nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. So my little heat gun here, that little red dot shines, gives you the surface temperature. So it's pretty cold out here in the garage, but open this up. Just shoot it right inside there. You can see plenty of heat. Take that picture. And then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 105 to 195, just depends on what you have it set at. But you can see it's nice and clean, looks good. And then down here on the washer side, we can just go to regular, whites, large load, and then say warm, cold. Pull this out. You got your water coming in there. And I just like to test these as if you were standing here yourself with it all plugged up, so you can see when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's why I do the videos. So I'm going to let that fill up for just a minute. Once it's got some water in there, I'm going to show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to, and that we get on the final spin there, and then I'll let you see it at full spin, that it sounds good, it's nice, level, and all that. So I'll give it a minute, and we'll come back to it. Alright, so it's got a good amount of water in there. What we'll do, and I've already done a thorough 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer, so I know all of this works perfectly, and I've tested all the components and all of that. But like I said, the purpose of this is to show you that everything works. So we're going to go down here to the final spin, and the first thing it's going to do is drain the water. So the water drains out. Lid switch cuts that off. And then after all the water is drained out, kicks into the spin cycle. And so what I'm going to do is, like I said, when I open this, it kicks it off. I'm just going to go ahead and put this for that lid switch because I want to show you how it spins. So we'll give it just a sec to finish draining, and I'll come back when it kicks over to spin. Alright, so just kicked on. I just try to keep these videos as short as I can. Of course, you'd never do this at home, but this is just so that you can see it operate. And the drain's still running to get the last little bit of the water out. But as you can see, nice smooth operation. Sounds great, spinning nice and fast. And if you were to open the lid, it shuts it off. And it'll come to a complete stop. And it'll get back up to speed. So we'll go ahead and shut it down, but otherwise I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. Thank you.